So I'm Rondell Gibson. I am one of the managers at 10,000 Degrees. So today I wear a few hats. But yeah, being on employee by 10,000 Degrees, I'm able to sit on various action teams with Marin Promise, and as well I am serving on the board. So it's pretty awesome to see how the work is panning out, as well as being able to help keep the organization in line with, and also reaching more students by creating more success and opportunities. So what I love about Marin Promise is my favorite is the Success Network. That is my favorite action team. I've said on I think three different action teams. This is the favorite one as it hits home to me because I am a product of the TAM Union, TAM Union district. Sorry, I graduated from Redwood. I went to Bayside Martin Luther King Jr. Academy down in Sausalito, which is now in Marin City. So I'm able to work with the students that are from my community directly. And what I noticed was that there is a lack of information being shared when coming in and doing the work with these students. And yet there's a lot of organizations that are doing some overlapping work. And what the cool thing I was able to, talk with Ann about 4 years ago about some of the things that needed to happen and how could we make things better. And, various amount of other people within the TAM Union are talking as well. And here comes the Success Network. And it's great because we're able to create a system where we can share information for this targeted group of students, and then we can track them semester by semester by sharing data on their attendance as well as their progress each class, as well as their interaction with their teachers and their counselors. So we're able to see actually how certain action items are panning out for each student or for the entire group. We can track them by grades, which makes it a lot easier as well. We can, survey students because of the resources now within the people who sit at the table in the Success Network. And then we're getting live feedback from students, each semester. So I think that is probably one of the reasons why we're able to, see the success and the incline in the rise with the data as you just saw. Like beforehand it's almost like we were working in silos, and now it's pretty encouraging to come to work and work with these individuals of various organizations and different levels within the school district, but everybody is sitting there as equals, because we want to make sure that we can get the best resources for each student. And Success Network, we're able to put the data there and then look at what have we put into action this semester that is creating these results, and then we dive in, we break it down, and we say, well, now, for instance, when COVID happened, we had a certain game plan before COVID. That happened, and now it's like, well, what about our students who were struggling with the digital divide? Well, okay, well now that's going to be worse off, being that everybody is going to be on the internet doing schooling, and then there's the social emotional piece where students don't feel connected. So we're able to dive in and see they don't feel connected to the teacher or their peers or even the campus. What can we, maybe that's hindering their ability to perform because there's something else there. So we're able to, then connect another resource within the school, and students are rising rising in their performance as well as attendance and a list of other things. Our intentions was making sure that every student was 4-year eligible for college. We just wanted to make sure that every student had the opportunity to go to college if they choose to. And lo and behold, we're making, keeping track of these students and helping them to keep themselves accountable has created more opportunity for them than we actually imagined for, I would say. So the Success Network has been my favorite group, being able to see the rates, and we look at data each quarter. So we're looking at students closely inside this group. And I think there's there's essentially 4 grading periods or 5 grading periods where we can look at and see, well, we tried this method, this didn't work. Okay, well, let's see what else we can try, and we'll try something else. And then it's been working. It's been innovative, and students are recognizing the connection that their teachers and their counselors and their principals, assistant principals, and then outside CBOs are having with each other, and that's creating more of a level of connectivity for them, because now they see there's more individuals who care. And I think they're able to see that because now they see that we're talking, so everybody's on the same page. And beforehand, working in silos, you really are guessing what the other person's doing or assuming what the other person's doing. But now we share the data. Everybody's can go to one hub and see what's going on and read a message. So there's no more are we stepping on toes or anything, but just it makes things run a lot more efficiently and easier. So, great success I've seen in it as the data proves it.